Yeah.
I can't lie. Yabo.
Yeah.
There are so nice moments, yabo. Because sometimes you have that belief in Dobana, I can do this.
Yes.
Yabo. And then you invest a lot of time doing this thing you believe in. Yabo. But you also need that thing, iti, what you are doing.
Yeah,
Yiyo
bona.
lento
Yeah.
ubucinga ba yiyo uyayenza yabo. And also gives you a validation. Like now I was there like celebrating a nomination
Yes.
without the winning.
Yes.
Yabo. Like I was there even by the time ligama lami libizwa like i-Three Words film, like I was like that is 3 times andikasho kumi, and kule row ndihleli kuyo everybody kule row uyandazi yabo into yobana I'm the owner of
Owner of
Three
the
Words
yes.
films yabo. So ziyandinqiniba imfonini ngibiza wena
Balapha.
like it took me more than 30 seconds to realize into yobana no man,
ngibizwa
that's my
lapha,
name,
yeah.
that's my company yabo. So there are so nice feelings yabo, and the validations and go to man, you're on the right track yabo. Like abantu there, abantu bajongile yabo.
Yeah.
Like those are the verifications but no, abantu bajongile yabo, abantu babukele, like yeah, abantu babukele, yeah, abantu babukele.
Yeah.
Because sometimes umzekelo I'm not a media man, yeah. Like I'm not a social man yabo.
Yeah.
So i-social media ndizinyanzele kuyo yabo. Like I was not into